Everybody. I wanted to get back in touch with you and talk to you a little bit about your assignment 2, which is due tomorrow, the first draft on June 30th at 11:55 p.m. So to get to your second assignment, hopefully all of you have already completed writing assignment 1, which was due today at 11:55 p.m. Um, and again, I want to emphasize the way this works. The system cuts off any late papers, so you have to submit by the time you are given. All right. Let's talk a little bit about assignment 2. You come here and click on assignment 2, um, and you will find a little summary telling you it's the same thing you find in your syllabus, that the assignment is really about getting you to think about the audience for your writing, the tone you are going to use, and the voice in which you write. What you have been asked to do here is to write a letter to a friend where you are reflecting upon a meaningful reading or writing related learning experience. So, as the description says, this might be, um, when you learn to read as a child, or helping family members to learning a new language, etc. The point is that you are writing a letter to a friend where you're reflecting upon this experience. And you try to think about the audience, which is your friend that you're writing to, and to write from that perspective. And obviously, then the tone and voice in that letter will be different than an academic paper, which is much more formal. However, since this is a writing assignment for a class, I want you to still be respectful in how you write for this assignment. So that is what you need to do um, for the second writing assignment, at least the first draft. Um, this assignment will actually work in 3 parts, because tomorrow, which is Tuesday, you'll be submitting the first draft, which is this assignment to first draft. And then on the following day, Wednesday, the system automatically will assign each of you who submits a paper 3 of your classmates' papers to read. And your screen might be slightly different, but I'm going to show it to you. You'll get these 3 papers, and what you're going to do on Wednesday is to sort of grade the papers and give helpful feedback to your classmates, 3 of them. The screen will look slightly different for you, but you will, along with the 3 papers, for each paper, I want you to answer these different questions. There are 5 questions for each paper. Was this letter written in an informal way, as you would write to a friend? Is this letter about an experience? So is it actually describing an experience as is being required? Was it written in grammatically correct language? Was it well organized and clearly written? And do you have any further comments or questions? So please try to give your classmates as much feedback as you can. All of you should be using spell check and grammar check when you are writing and submitting anything. But hopefully this peer feedback can also be helpful to you. So you get this. You'll get these 3 letters from your classmates that you will read. You'll give this feedback on, and then on the following day, which is the Thursday, let me go back to where we were. On the following day, what you will be doing is then revising the letter you wrote based on the comments you received, and you'll go here, and when you're a student, you'll get a button that says Add Submission, and you will click here and add your submission. So I hope that's pretty clear. Assignment 2, just to summarize, works in 3 parts. The first is due tomorrow. It's a letter that you will submit here, where it says Assignment 2, Audience Tone and Voice, due June 30th, first draft. And then once you submit this, the cutoff time being 11:55 p.m., the system will automatically distribute 3 papers to each of you. And then the following day you do part 2, which is give feedback to your peers. And then the third day, or the third part of assignment 2, is on Thursday. You all submit a revised draft, and then that is the draft that I will be grading. So that is the summary of what we have due for the rest of this week, actually, which is assignment 2 that you'll be working on. It will take us through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday we have off because of the 4th of July, so we won't be, I'm not assigning anything to you on Friday. And then we'll pick it up again the following week. But for now, let's just concentrate on assignment 2. And even if you have missed the first assignment, please go ahead and get started with assignment 2, which the first draft is due tomorrow. All right, thank you very much. I'm going to sign off now.